So welcome to all of you into the neuroscience session, and today I'm going to take a very interesting and I must say the refreshing topic. Hope you will relish this topic. So the topic name is how to add humor into your talk. Again, I repeat, how to add humor into your talk. Yes. Anyone has any idea about the humor? कभी सुना है ये word? Humor, HUMOUR.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
It's
yes, yes.
happy
हाँ,
mood, laughing always. In a
laughing
happy
moments.
mood,
Okay, happy mood. Very nice, very nice,
smile,
very nice.
smiling mood.
Okay, okay. Well said, well said, well said. So today's topic is humor. I hope the screen is visible, everyone.
Yes.
Humor, the secret sauce of the great communication. The secret sauce of the great communication. So humor is just like the secret sauce. So I think you guys are ready to learn the recipe of this secret sauce because आपको इसके लिए ready होना बहुत जरूरी है guys because this is a recipe. Okay, so are you guys ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. 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 Right. So let's start. So what is humor? What is humor? Yes, Rumi, can you read this definition here? What is humor?
Humor is the ability
Hmm.
to find and express things in a funny or amusing way.
Hmm.
Lightens the mood and makes communication enjoyable.
Enjoyable. Very nice. Very nice. So humor क्या है? Humor is basically the ability to make the things in a funny way. To make the things in a funny way. Basically, what we can say, simple terms में, humor is just like the Shah Rukh Khan's arms. ठीक है? First, it opens your hearts before it opens your minds. Okay? It opens your heart first before it opens your minds. Guys, see, what we think so, that what is a communication? What is the communication? What we think so about the communication? We think so that the communication means by using the very good grammar, by using the very fancy vocabulary, that is the real terms of communication according to our language. But no, that is not a communication. In real terms, the communication means the connection. If you are able to connect with your audience, in that terms, you are a real communicator. Okay? And the humor helps in filling that gap. How to make the connection with the audience, wo jo gap hai, that will help by the humor. So humor is a skill, or you can say in the simple terms mein, humor is like the salt of the food. Without salt, food has taste? No, the food has no taste without salt. Same goes with your talk. Whether you are taking any presentation or you are taking any speech or anything, if there is no humor, you cannot make your talk enjoyable. You cannot take your talk more interesting. Guys, see, you can take this example in your real life. You all have the fluency sessions. Your fluency coach assigns some topics, and that time you just go and whatever the topic is assigned to you, you just mug up and just speak that topic. You just deliver that topic. Do you really think so that your audience will love to listen you? आपको लगता है आपका ऑडियंस आपको सुनना चाहता है? अच्छा अच्छा मेधा आने वाली है, नाउ आई लव टू लिसन. अच्छा नवीन आने वाले हैं, आई लव टू लिसन. नो. अच्छा गाइस, सीरियसली बताओ मुझे, एवरीवन पुट योर हैंड्स ऑन योर हार्ट, एवरीवन, and trust and honestly tell me the answer of this question. Have you ever slept in the boring meeting or the presentations? Have you ever slept in the boring meeting or the presentations?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Guys, trust me, including you also. But we don't want it that our audience will do the same. We don't want. That's why we really want to make our communication or the talk or the presentation or the speech interesting, enjoyable. अब वो कैसे हमें इंटरेस्टिंग बनाना है, कैसे हमें एंजॉयबल बनाना है, उसके लिए यू हैव टू लर्न दिस स्किल. एंड व्हाट इज अ स्किल? What is the skill?
Humor.
Humor.
Add
Humor is a skill.
in our
Humor
speech.
is a skill. Humor is just, देखो, humor is a skill. I'm again repeating, humor is a skill. Like driving. Driving is a skill. You have learned this skill. बचपन से तो नहीं सीख के आए हो. You have learned this skill. Swimming. What about swimming? Swimming is also the skill. Same goes with the humor. Humor is also the skill. अगर ये skill है तो it means you have to learn this skill. Right? Suman, you are very smiling, dear.
Yes, ma'am.
What is the reason behind this? Is this your favorite topic?
Reason
No, ma'am.
is you, ma'am.
Reason is me. Why? Why?
नहाने पहले बाल कटा के आया था।
अच्छा टार्जन, बाल कटवा लिए, बस अब सुन लो, अब सेशन को स्टार्ट करें अब. Shall we
Yes,
start the
madam.
session?
Okay, madam.
Okay. I really appreciate if you turn on your camera.
Yes, madam.
ठीक है, चलो, let's start. Now, what is the role of humor? Very important. What is the role of humor in communication? Guys, see. Humor can be used in different areas, but here in IDQ, we are talking about the communication. So that's why we are only talking about the humor in communication. Okay. So what is the first role of humor in communication? The first role of humor in communication is break the ice. Break the ice. What do you mean by break the ice?
The uncomfortableness between two people.
Without
Uncomfortable.
hesitation,
Basically,
Without-
yes, Pragya.
without
Yeah,
hesitation,
and-
and while communicating, we should see on others' eyes.
Ice. Okay. Well said, Pragya. So basically, break the ice means, simple terms, break the ice means to create a friendly environment. To create a friendly and the relaxed environment so that the other person feel more comfortable in a new and the formal environment. ठीक है? Suppose you are meeting with someone first time. So how you can break the ice? How you can break the ice? आप कैसे start करेंगे? You are meeting with the strangers. So how you can start? So what is the role of humor in that? What is the role of humor in that? See guys, suppose you just entered into the meeting room where there is a complete silence. You just go into the meeting room and you have to deliver some presentation into that meeting room. But once you step into that meeting room, there is a complete silence. So if there is a complete silence and you are the presenter, so definitely it will increase your heartbeat. Oh my God, there is so silence in the room, whether they will listen to me or not. So, but in that case, you have to break the ice. अब break the ice हम कैसे करते हैं? Normal terms में हम कैसे करते हैं? Hello everyone, today I'm here to deliver one presentation. So please listen this presentation. No, why the audience will love to listen you? So then you have to use a humor into that case. So what you can say, once you entered into the room where there is a complete silence, you can say, oh wow, there is a complete silence. Everyone is so silent. Is this a meeting room or the meditation center? बस खत्म. Is this a meeting room or the meditation center? क्योंकि सबसे ज्यादा silence कहाँ होता है? Meditation centers.
Meditation center पे.
Okay, so once you will speak these types of lines with that public, so definitely they will start giving you smile. They will start giving you smile. जो environment था, that the tense environment become some relaxed. Because humor का मतलब नहीं है कि we want to become a Kapil Sharma. मुझे कपिल शर्मा नहीं बनना है. I don't want to become a Kapil Sharma. Humor doesn't mean to become a comedian. Humor means how to make the atmosphere relaxed. How to make your environment friendly. That is the humor. Got it? Pratima, Naveen, Sanskari, got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, next is capture the attention. Definitely, if you use the humor, so you can capture the attention. How? How you can capture the attention? By using the humor. Suppose you are going to deliver one presentation. So, Preeti, हम कैसे बोलेंगे? Hi, my dear students. Today, I'm going to deliver one presentation. So, I really appreciate if you listen to me very carefully. This is the Rataya tagline, which we always speak. Okay, but we have to use the humor, ki how we can capture their attention. So instead of that, what you can say, hi everyone, today I'm going to deliver this presentation and I promise that this presentation is very energetic, very informative and refreshing, just like the Netflix show. I'm a fond of Netflix show, so that's why I'm taking my example. You can take your example. Okay, so once you will speak these types of lines in the front of the audience, so definitely you are able to capture their attention. Okay, build the rapport. Very important point, guys. What do you mean by build the rapport? Build the rapport. Have you heard RAPPORT? Dr. Manoj, have you heard this word?
Yeah, ma'am.
Yes. What do you mean by rapport?
Rapport means you are confident and the spectators are believing on you.
Yes.
And,
Yati,
and,
please quote.
and spectators are believing in you.
Spectators
That
are
is called
believing
rapport.
in you. Okay. Well said. Any more inputs? Rapport.
One-to-one interaction, ma'am.
No, Yati. One-to-one interaction. Okay, that is okay. But why we are building the rapport? Why we want to build the rapport?
Ma'am, a good relationship.
To maintain a good relationship. Or kaisa relationship? That is trustworthy relationship. Trustworthy relationship. If you are able to maintain the trustworthy relationship between your audience, then you can easily convey anything which you have into your mind, because they will love to listen you, because now you are able to build the trust. And communication का सबसे major ये downfall है, we are not able to make the trust. So why our audience will love to listen? Are you getting this? So now how the humor builds the rapport? This is a question. How the humor builds the rapport? I'm going to take my example, guys. Since long, I'm going to reduce my weight. Okay, I joined yoga, I started walking, but still I was not able to reduce my weight. Then I hired one dietitian. Now you know the dietitian, she has given me the long list that you have to cut this, you have to cut this, you have to cut this. And it becomes very tough for me. Okay. Now, but I hired her, so definitely I have to follow the protocol. So after a week, she called me. And trust me, I was not able to reduce in kgs. I was not able to reduce in grams. Okay, forget about the kgs. But that is a protocol I had to go. And when she measured my weight, she was very angry. Okay, because no doubt, she did a lot of efforts on my health. But I was not able to cut my carbs and sugar items. And once she saw my weight and she started, Ki, Komal, you didn't do anything. You must be very disciplined. You just increase your cardio, cut down your carbs, blah, 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 blah. And suddenly, guys, one line came from my mind. Ma'am, whenever I see the chola bhatura na, मेरा दिल कहता है जा सिमरन जा जी ले अपनी जिंदगी. And literally, when I spoke these lines to my dietitian, तो जो environment था, जो negative environment था, that negative environment changes to the positive. So how? With the help of the humor. With the help of the humor. Are you guys getting me? जो वो environment था कि I was not able to open up with her, and she was not believing on me. But once I spoke these types of humor, the environment becomes relaxed. And then she listened to me, then she understood ki what the problem I am facing, and then she changed some changes into my diet plan. So that is build the rapport. Ki I was able to build the rapport with my dietitian. Got it? Imang, are you getting?
Yeah.
Yes, madam.
Guys, see, it is a skill. It is a skill. You need to learn this skill. Encourage the people to open up. Lakshmi, what do you mean by encourage the people?
Encourage means to listen me.
To speak. Encourage the people to open up, to speak. You have to encourage the people. Naveen, how the humor helps in encouraging the people? Any ideas coming?
It creates interest
It
in the
creates
in topic.
interest. How?
Yeah.
Can you give any example, Naveen?
Because,
Huh?
ma'am,
Yes.
because the people is listen or not to try to understand to me. So
एक तो संस्कारी पीपल के साथ इज नहीं आता, सबसे बड़ा तो मिस्टेक यही है। पीपल के साथ हमेशा आर आता है, ठीक है। पर्सन यूज कर रहे हो तो इज लगाओ। नहीं, यहाँ पर देखो क्या मतलब है, हाउ टू एनकरेज द पीपल टू ओपन। भाई जैसे फॉर एग्जाम्पल अभी सब शांत बैठे हैं, so but
You
I
can
have
do
to encourage the people. I have to encourage the people. And if I'm saying, guys, please turn on your camera, please turn on your camera. This is your session. You must be very interactive. Please turn on your camera. Do you really think so? Ki the team will open the camera if you are
Yes,
the
ma'am.
team leader. Think about in that
People
case.
can
Yes.
people can
And
build a
encourage
connection
us
and
to
people
speak
feel
with you,
very
ma'am.
comfortable while speaking.
हाँ, तो
Ma'am,
वो
with smile.
with smile, yes, with a smile, and then you can say, hey guys, this is your session. Don't be sit like the mummies. Just unmute yourself and try to interact into the session. Are you guys getting mummy? मम्मी कौन सी मम्मी वाली मैं बात करी, जो इजिप्ट की मम्मीज होती हैं। I'm talking about that mummies. Okay, so don't sit like mummies. Just unmute yourself and start interaction. So that is encourage the people. I will later on I tell you कि how might be this question is coming कि मैम आप पंच लाइंस पे पंच लाइंस मार रहे हो, तो बताओ तो सही कि कैसे। I will tell you कि how. Okay, reduces the tension definitely. If you are using the humor, it reduces the tension because your mind becomes very relaxed. Your mind becomes very relaxed. Messages delivered are more memorable. Very important point, guys. Instead of speaking the plain text, you can use some messages by using the humor. Why? Because if you are using the messages through the humor, that will retain into the audience mind forever. Like for example, suppose tomorrow you have the son's exam. Okay, you have the kids exam and your child is in very tension. तो हम being a parent हम क्या बोलते हैं? Don't take stress, everything will be fine, whatever the efforts you have done, you will rock, फलाना ढिमाका. Okay, that is a simple plain text. But instead of that, simple thing, don't worry boss, all is well. All is well. 3 Idiots का dialogue है ना? All is well. All is well. That is a message. That is a message. And once you will speak this type of message to anyone, जो उसका टेंशन है वो automatically reduce. All is well. Okay, that you can say. I always use one message with my son whenever he scored the good marks. So I don't say today I'm very happy. Sometimes if I'm in a very good mood, so I always say आज मोगैम्बो खुश हुआ. Okay, so whatever the messages you can do, guys, just note down some good messages with you and try to use these messages. Right? Tarjan, any message from your end?
No, madam.
No. Okay, so it means you don't have that. Abhi you don't know कि how to use that skill. Now, guys, see. चलो अभी पहले हम एक activity करते हैं because अभी right now ना you guys. Okay. Now, we will do this activity. ये activity क्या है? Icebreaker activity. In this icebreaker activity, you have to introduce yourself. अब introduction कैसे देना है? Hi, I'm Rumi. I'm from Kolkata and I am into this profession. Do you really think so कि रूमी अगर मैं आपके साथ प्रदीप को भेजूंगी तो प्रदीप will listen to you? क्यों? प्रदीप को क्या मतलब है? आप कहाँ से हो? क्या प्रोफेशन है? Who loves to listen? But now what is the activity ki that you have to introduce yourself in a humorous way, in a different way, so that the other person will love to listen. Getting? Dharmendra Kumar getting? Vedha getting?
Yes, ma'am.
अब देखो जैसे कैसे देना है. I will send you into the breakout room pair basis पे. Okay. Now what you do, जैसे suppose I'm giving my introduction. Instead of saying hi, I'm Komal, I'm from Delhi and I'm the master communication coach. How I can speak? Hey, acha, guys, this is very important. When you are using humor, smile वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट। बहुत सीरियस होके आप ह्यूमर यूज नहीं कर सकते। एंड सेकंड इज अ प्लेफुल टोन, ठीक है, एंड फेशियल एक्सप्रेशंस मस्ट बी वेरी टीजिंग वे। Okay, so how you can say, hey, I'm Komal, I'm from Delhi Dilwalo Ki, and I'm into the profession where I can make the mumblers into the motivational speakers. That's it. Got it? Suppose, hey, I'm Komal, I'm from Delhi Dilwalo Ki, and I'm the CEO of my house. So what is my profession?
Housewife
Homemaker.
you are.
Housewife.
Homemaker.
Homemaker. Okay? Got it?
Mm.
So you are the master of your profession. So you just do this activity, whatever is coming into your mind, but try to use the humor. And guys, before sending into the breakout room, this is very important that there are the two types of brain. One is a left brain and one is a right brain. I think everyone knows one is a left brain, one is a right brain. Subhashish, can you tell me what do you mean by left brain and what do you mean by right brain?
Left brain is always talk about logical thing. Logical
Yes.
part is there.
Very
left
nice,
brain.
very nice.
And right brain is out of the box thinking.
Out of the box thinking. So your which brain is more active in you?
Right brain.
Right brain. Excellent, excellent. Medha, what about you?
Left brain, ma'am.
Left brain is more active. Okay, okay. Chalo, वो आप देख. Dharmendra, what about you? Which brain is more active in you?
Right brain, ma'am.
Right brain. Okay, very nice. So those students who are Muzib. Hi, Muzib.
Hello, madam.
Yes. Hi. Muzib, which brain is more active in you?
Means
Means?
I
Wait,
no, madam. No, I can't.
हाँ.
This class I not attend, madam. That's why I not.
Acha, this class. No. Okay. Just listen. Dekho, guys, see, there are the two types of brain. One is left brain, one is right brain. If your left brain is more active, so it means you are more logical. ठीक है, जैसे मैथमेटिक्स स्टूडेंट्स होते हैं, उनका लेफ्ट ब्रेन ज्यादा एक्टिव रहता है क्योंकि उनके लिए क्या होता है, लॉजिक से दो, रूल से दो, दैट इज राइट. बट इफ योर राइट ब्रेन इज मोर एक्टिव, so definitely you are imaginative, you are creative, you are thinking out of the box. But these words seems to be very sounds good. Out of the box thinking, imaginative, creativity. But how you can indulge all these things into your talk? This is my question. Right?
Left brain. I'm not using right brain.
Not using right brain, right? So, but
Yes,
Abhi, right
yes.
now I'm sending you into the breakout room and just try to use.
Okay, madam.
At least एक line use करो. Just try to start with the one line. I always follow the simple to difficult complex. Okay,
Okay.
Suman?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, guys. So I'm sending you into the breakout room. How many students?
75.
नहीं, मैं नहीं जाऊंगी मांग ब्रेकआउट रूम में, मुझे तो तुम मेन लाइव रूम में ही रहने दो. Okay, so I'm assigning automatically. I'm giving you 5 minutes time, guys. Okay, chalo. 5 minutes time. ठीक है, only the 3 things. Your name, you are from where, and what is your profession. Try to use the right brain. I'm not interested to listen your left brain. Okay? Chalo, join. Dharmendra, Sangeeta, would you like to join? Yes, Dharmendra, what happened?
It's not audible.
Yes, Lakshi, what happened?
I have not audible anyone.
Yeah, Sanyukta is there. Sanyukta, you are not speaking?
Hi, ma'am.
Yes,
Can
yes.
I audible?
Yes. You are perfectly audible.
Okay.
Okay. You just interact with the Lakshi.
Okay, sure.
Okay.
I am not audible.
Yes, you are audible,
Hello?
Lakshi. You are audible. You
Yes.
are audible.
Yes, madam.
Yeah, hi, sir. Good evening.
Mida, you call for help?
Yes, ma'am. Actually, Mangesh is not responding.
Mangesh, just unmute and just try to interact with Mida. Okay, no worries. Mida, you just make your own. Just make your own.
Okay.
Any 2 lines or 3 lines.
I'm from Noida.
Yes,
From?
again you called.
I'm from Noida.
Noida.
अब
Yes.
नोएडा नहीं बोलना संयुक्ता यहाँ पर अब नोएडा नहीं बोलना आप देखो नोएडा की क्या स्पेशलिटी एनीथिंग विच रिप्रेजेंट्स योर सिटी यू हैव टू थिंक इन दैट वे जैसे मैंने क्या बोला था आई एम फ्रॉम दिल्ली दिल वालों की
दिल वालों के,
है
right,
ना तो
right.
आई एम फ्रॉम दिल्ली तो ऐसे ही यू हैव टू थिंक
Okay.
अगर सपोज करो यू आर नॉट एबल टू थिंक अबाउट द सिटी व्हाट इज योर प्रोफेशन संयुक्ता
I'm a software engineer.
software engineer very nice so now you think now don't say कि I'm a software engineer.
Yes,
Okay,
yes.
you have to
Okay.
think. You have to think in different way. कि how to present yourself in front of Lakshi कि you are a software engineer.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, and Lakshi
Sure.
same goes
I'll try.
to you. Okay,
Yeah, I'll try,
Okay.
ma'am.
okay, done.
Yes.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes, Rumi, what happened here?
I don't know. I think the network issue from Dharmendra's side or
Okay,
was not there.
okay. You are in which room?
That's what I
Acha, Dharmendra.
didn't
Okay,
notice.
okay. Okay, Rumi, you are DMP student, right? Okay, Rumi, just joined here.
Ma'am, I think time is out.
Time is over. I have allotted you the 5 minutes time.
Okay.
Okay.
But 5 minutes is not enough for us, ma'am.
Right, ma'am.
Sabha, agar if you are
Actually,
able to,
I'm not.
if you guys were able to make a single line, na, so objective is complete. But
Okay.
right.
Ma'am, we discussed about family and
Everything.
No,
work also.
why you discuss everything, yeah, guys? This is
Actually,
simple.
currently I'm listen here to my other search introduction, so it's not completed actually.
Okay.
What
So
I did was-
anyone who
I
is
think-
ready, anyone who is ready.
Too much time is given, I think.
Achha, too much time. Okay, so
Yeah,
Subhashi.
yeah.
1 or 2 minutes is enough. 2 minutes is enough. 5
Okay,
minutes is
okay.
a
Just for
longer time.
introduction, na.
Yes.
Okay. Chalo, anyone, I want 3 volunteers. I want 3 volunteers who want to share his or her experience in the breakout room. Any 3 volunteers. Subhashish, would you like to share?
Yes, yes.
Yes. Okay.
Uh,
Okay.
Actually, started, I give the priority to madam, particularly Salkari madam. She never stopped. I think she
अरे
give
भाई आप
give us
अपना आप अपना बोला, आपने कैसे उनको इंट्रोडक्शन दिया, बस ये
yeah,
बताओ। हाँ
my part. You want to
हाँ,
know my
बस
part?
बस
Okay.
आपने, वो कहते हैं ना, वो फ्लाइट में भी जब लेते हैं दूसरों की जान से पहले अपनी चिंता कर, तो वही करो, अपना इंट्रोडक्शन बताओ कैसे करा।
Okay. Hello everyone. My name is Subhashish. I am from Calcutta, city of joy and city of festivals. I think you must have eaten the Rasagolla. That is famous for here. Everyone eat that. And basically, I am a sales guy. जो दिखता है वो बिकता है.
जो दिखता है वो बिकता है। वेरी नाइस।
So having a 20 years of experience in that.
बस बस बस
and
बस बस
basically-
बस 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 सुभाषिश, वेरी वेल सेड, वेल सेड। आई रियली लाइक दिस टैगलाइन, जो दिखता है वो बिकता है। I really like this thing. I really like this thing. So I never ever forget about Subhashish now. Because अब मुझे वो नहीं याद रहेगा।
Okay.
Subhashish simple बोलते ना कि I'm a sales person. So definitely we will forget after some time. But एक tagline साथ में आ गया, जो दिखता है वो बिकता है. So we will never ever forget. Very nice. Very nice. Any more inputs?
मैंने
Okay,
okay,
Dr.
मैंने
Manoj. Yes. Please
Hi,
raise your
everyone.
hand. Please raise your hand. Virtual. Yes, Dr. Manoj. You are
Hi,
MBBS वाला
everyone.
डॉक्टर और PhD वाले डॉक्टर?
I am PhD वाला doctor.
अच्छा, that is also the doctor. Okay, right.
Great.
Yes, doctor. Yes, Manoj.
Hi everyone, myself Dr. Manoj Agrawal. I am from No Idea City. It is called Noida. And if you want to become actor or actress, so I can train you. And I am the university in which we are developing the skill of making the films, cinematographer, scriptwriter, actor, director. So if you are interested, so my house and my
Okay,
school
okay. So
and my
basically,
university is ready for you.
so you are basically from this acting.
We are from acting school. It is university is in Raipur and college is in Noida.
Okay, okay.
Nice.
Very nice, very nice, very
Okay.
nice. But Dr. Manoj,
Nice.
I must. Yes.
And nice to meet you.
Thank you.
Imangledu is my YouTube channel name. I am a carefree man. That's why I call myself as pursuer of dreams, dream hunter. And I call myself a king without a kingdom. I'm independent man, roaming like a tiger in the forest. I'm basically from Arunachal Pradesh. I wrote poem, song, and produced album and film. I'm I'm a government officer,
Okay.
a principal of Government College of Arunachal Pradesh. I
Okay,
joined this
okay,
as a game.
okay, man, bus. Very well said. I thought that you were talking about this thing. Okay, Dr. Manoj, but I really want that you just polish your intro more, because you are from a very different line. You are from
Yeah.
a dramatic line, so you can make your intro more dramatic.
Yeah.
Okay, you can.
Sure.
Okay, so guys, now this is your task. Try to देखो guys, see. This is a right brain activity. This is a right brain activity. So this is not as simple as we use a knife or the scissors. No, this is a right brain activity. So it means you need more time to learn this skill. Okay. Daily basis पे you have to activate your brain ki boss, I need to learn. Okay, now we are going to discuss how we are going to inculcate this habit into our behavior. Because some of you are thinking, ma'am, I'm a very serious person. I'm not funny at all. Jokes का तो मेरे से दूर तक नाता नहीं है. So might be you guys are thinking this thing. Okay, so ma'am, how I can learn this skill? How many of you are thinking this question?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, madam.
Right. Chalo, let's start. Now, as I already told you guys, the humor is a right brain activity. So definitely the right brain activity hai. So you must be associated with your imagination, with your creativity. And once you learn this skill, ki how to use this skill into your habit, you can become more emotionally intelligent. And as I always tell, the communication is not about the grammar and the fancy words. The communication is about the connection. If you are able to connect with your audience, you can be a great communicator. Or how to build that connection with the help of this skill, that is called the humor. Now, what are the practical applications of humor, right? As we know there are the three types of communication. One is a verbal communication. Second is a, what are the three types of communication? Verbal, non-verbal, and written communication. ठीक है? Verbal communication का मतलब, what do you mean by verbal communication?
One-liner.
Only one-liner? No. What do you mean by verbal communication?
Talking.
Speaking.
Verbal communication means
Not one-liner, मतलब short communication.
हाँ नहीं देखो
Madam.
मनोज हाँ
Talking.
Verbal communication.
हाँ verbal communication means whenever you are able to communicate, whenever you are share your thoughts, your ideas to the other person in the form of the spoken words, that is called the verbal communication. Why you guys are making the life so complicated? ना ये simple statements and try to be easy, guys. बहुत ज़्यादा tough statements याद करोगे, you will forget. Okay, so now we are going to discuss if you are how to use the humor into your verbal communication. So I have written 3 techniques. You just note down the 3 techniques. Okay, Tarjan?
Yes, madam.
Focus on the techniques. Now, the first technique is witty one-liner. The second technique is playful teasing. The third technique is exaggeration. So these are the 3 techniques which you can use, which you can going to be master while using the verbal communication. Now, what do you mean by witty one-liner? Witty one-liner का मतलब होता है short remarks. Short and the humorous remarks. ठीक है? Suppose your kids are exams are approaching and you are saying ki bhai tomorrow you have the exam or day after the tomorrow you have the exam, so please do start study. You are very lazy nowadays, and your son or your daughter is saying, Mama, I'm not lazy, I am on the energy saving. What she can or he can say, Mom, instead of saying simple, I'm not lazy or I'm not in a mood to study, what he can say, Mama, today I'm on the energy saving.
Yeah.
Right? So what will happen once he will speak these types of lines in front of you? तो वो जो आपका anger है जो यहाँ तक था, it will cool down. And then you also understand his or her situation also. Okay? Remember, don't say, suppose most of the time we do the mistakes. Oh my God, you have done so much mistakes, so many mistakes in this. You must be very carefully. Why you are speaking this way? This is not the good quality of the communicator. What you can say, remember, mistakes are the proofs whether you are trying or sleepy. या तो आप सो रहे थे या आप try कर रहे थे. So mistakes are the proof कि whether you are trying or sleepy. Don't say ki dad, you are doing mistakes. This is not a way of communication. You cannot make the harsh communication with anyone. You just say your words, but in a very different way. Playful teasing. Playful teasing का मतलब होता है खेल में बोल जाना, खेल में बोल जाना. Jesse, good morning, everyone. I have written some examples, guys. You can written your own examples by using the chat GPT or the AI. Now, there are the many tools are available. You just write down the playful teasing in my, suppose someone is from the software engineer. So you just write down, give some examples of the playful teasing of the role of software engineers. So you will get some playful teasing examples. Give some witty one-liners, how I express, how I present myself in front of my team. So you will get some liners. Okay, so playful teasing. Either you are smiling. Either you have understood or you gave up, but both are valid. Okay, you cannot say, oh my God, why you are smiling? आपको समझ आ रहा है, नहीं आ रहा है, आपने छोड़ दिया है, क्या कर रहे हैं? No, don't say. Either you are smiling, so either you understand or you gave up. Exaggeration. Exaggeration का मतलब होता है किसी भी चीज को बढ़ा चढ़ाकर बोलना. Exaggerate करना. Suppose you are very hungry and if you are simply saying, oh mama, today I'm very hungry. So what? ठीक है. But instead of saying, if you are saying,
I'm starving. पेट में चूहे दौड़ रहे हैं.
no, that is a simple, that is a logical brain, guys. I'm starving.
Okay.
Instead of saying, you can say, I'm starving. So what?
I'm
But if you will say, I'm so hungry, mama, today I could eat an elephant. This is the humor. This is a humor. Today I'm so hungry that I could eat an elephant. It is not possible that you can eat an elephant, but this is an exaggeration. So, matlab you are showing the intensity of your hunger.
I'm sure.
Right? My maths teacher is so strict. Everyone knows maths teachers are so strict. Okay, but
Yes,
you can say,
one calculator
this
full
is
of
the example. My son always say, Mama, whenever I ask him why you have got such less marks in mathematics. So he always say, Mama, my mathematics teacher is so strict. Even the calculators are afraid of her. अगर वो सिंपल ये बोलता ना, my mathematics teacher is so strict. Okay, मेरा गुस्सा यहीं रहता. But he added this line also. Mama, even the calculators are afraid of her. So it just reduces the tension of that environment. And I also gave some little smile, and then he is comfortable ki why he is getting the less. Are you guys getting?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Rajan getting?
Yes, madam.
Non-verbal communication. Non-verbal communication. Acha, Rajan, tell me what do you mean by non-verbal communication?
Body language.
Very good. Body language.
Yes.
Body language. So do you really think so that a non-verbal communication also play a very important role while inculcating the humor? Sanskari?
Yes.
Sankari?
Yes, madam.
Yes,
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 Yes.
sir.
How the humor helps in the non-verbal communication. Very important role. Guys, ये जो आप smile करते हैं, अपने different funny faces बनाते हैं, expressions बनाते हैं, अपनी जो eyes होती हैं वो 360 degree angle पे घुमा देते हैं. These are all the humor. These are all the humor. Right? So that you have to love. And the next is written communication. Written communication means hota hai when you are able to express your feelings, your ideas in the form of written words. Just emails. Suppose this is a business prerequisite that you have to send the very lengthy mail. But if you are writing in a caption ki, my dear team, I'm going to share a very lengthy mail, but this is a business prerequisite, you have to see this mail. ठीक है? Team members खोलेंगे, अरे lengthy mail है, then they will share, but definitely they will see. But instead of writing that caption, you just write, I promise that this email is shorter than my grocery list. ये आप caption में डाल दो. I promise that this email is shorter than my grocery list. So that everyone at least one time to open karega.
Yeah,
Because this is an eye catchy. This is very different. Everyone loves to open this. Funny memes, you can use the funny memes. Whenever you are sending any message to anyone, you just post some funny emojis. So whatever the tone you have, it converts your tone into a humorous tone. Because written may you are not able to express your feelings. So in written, you have to use these funny memes, funny gifs you have to use. And these are very trendy. ठीक है, समझ गए? विटी टेक्स्ट का मतलब होता है पंच लाइनर्स. जैसे सपोज अभी राइट नाउ सम ऑफ यू आर गेटिंग बोर. अरे मैम कितना देर का सेशन लोगे, वी आर नॉट गेटिंग एनीथिंग. ठीक है, सो देन आई कैन से, गाइस माय डियर स्टूडेंट, दिस इज जस्ट अ ट्रेलर. पिक्चर तो अभी बाकी है मेरे दोस्त. दिस इज अ पंच लाइनर. And again, when I will speak these types of punch liners, so it will create the curiosity among your mind. अरे अभी तो पिक्चर में क्या है? Okay? Got it, this thing? So written communication, verbal communication, and the non-verbal
communication.
Again, you can use the chat option ki give some witty text. This is my profession. Just give me some good witty text. Muzib, Dharmendra, can you use any witty text? Any witty text is coming into your mind? Dharmendra, you were saying that you are the right brain. Your right brain is more active. So just use your right brain. Use it. देखो सिर्फ बोलने से काम नहीं चलेगा unless and until if you will not implement. Any witty text is coming. Anyone, chalo. But think. See how difficult this skill is. How difficult this skill is. We are saying that, ma'am, right brain means imaginative, creativity, out of the box thinking. But how? How? Okay, let's see some example. Suppose एक email reminder आपको भेजना है, ठीक है? I have written one situation in a very formal way, जो हम most of the time we use in this way. This is
This is a kind of reminder to
हाँ.
submit your report by 5 p.m.
Very nice, very nice. This is a kind reminder to submit your report by 5 p.m. today. This is a simple formal statement which we basically use. But what is the question? Yati, the activity is that, dear, you have to convert this formal statement into the humor. कैसे इसको convert करूंगी Yati? Are you getting Yati? What is my question, dear?
Yes.
Are you able to frame? Okay. See, Yati, now read it.
No, ma'am.
Read it.
This is a kind reminder to submit your report
By
by
5
5 p.m.
ठीक
today.
है, this is a formal. But
Yeah.
what is the humorous version? Read it.
Gentle reminder to submit your report by 5 p.m. PM before the
deadline.
deadline
Before the
Turns into the
deadline turns into a legend.
turns
Legend, you
into
know,
a
legend.
legend.
हाँ, बिफोर द मतलब इनको 5 बजे तक कंप्लीट कर देना कि इससे पहले जो डेडलाइन है वो लीजेंड ही बन जाए. इतिहास समझो, एक तरीके से इतिहास. लीजेंड मतलब जो हमारा इतिहास है.
Before the deadline.
बिफोर. अच्छा देखो गाइस यदि अब इसमें आपका पता क्या मिस्टेक हुआ यदि आप इसको ऐसे सिंपल नहीं पढ़ सकते. जेंटल रिमाइंडर टू सबमिट योर रिपोर्ट बाय 5 p.m. नो. Your
No.
voice, your tone, your energy level
Gentle
should be that high.
Gentle reminder to submit your report by 5 p.m. before the deadline turns into a legend. Turns into a legend.
Legend. And you should have the smile, your tone, everything comes
into a legend.
legend.
Right.
Yes. Getting? Preeti, Pragya, Pradeep, getting?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, chalo. Next, Pradeep, read it.
Technical issue.
Hmm.
We are facing slight delay due to technical difficulties.
We are facing the slight delay due to the technical difficulties. This is a formal version. Okay, now the question is, what should be the humorous
Humorous
version? Yes. Subhashir, would you like to try? Subhashir, you are from you are in which profession? You are the sales head. Okay, suppose आपको ये बोलना हो. Some noise is coming.
Due to technical difficulty.
Sorry?
My voice is audible.
Yes. मुझे please mute. Some noise is coming from your end. Yes, Subhashir.
Now the humor section, we are facing slight delay.
ह्यूमर का मतलब शुभाशीष यहाँ पर ये मत समझो कि सबको ढाके मार के हंसना है. सबसे पहले तो ये क्लियर करो. सुभाष ह्यूमर डजंट मीन. ह्यूमर का मतलब होता है कि बस why we are saying we are facing the slight delay due to the technical difficulties. This is a very formal statement. If you will say this thing, it means you are using your logical brain. You are using your logical brain. No one will love to listen कि ठीक है ना, slight delay तो हो गया. But how you can say?
We are experiencing a slight delay.
I
our
did.
system decided to take
Can
a
say this. Our system decided to take coffee
Preeti,
break.
Preeti, read this humorous version.
We are experiencing a slight delay. Maybe our system decided to take
हो
a
आहे
coffee break.
आहे
Very nice, very nice. Preeti, again use read.
त्याच्यात ऍड करायची होती का?
Oh my God.
हॅलो
Yati, please mute. Guys, please, if you guys are talking your personal talk, so please maintain the decorum of the session. Yes, Preeti.
We are experiencing a slight delay. Maybe our system decided to take a coffee break.
Coffee break. Are you guys getting? Are you guys getting? We are
Yeah.
experiencing
Yes.
a slight delay. Maybe our system decided to take a coffee break. Okay?
Yes.
Guys, see, now the question is coming. See, guys, this humor is not used by the professionals or by the common man. No, this is a skill which is used by the big shots, big celebrities. Even our Honorable Prime Minister Modi ji oftenly use this skill.
Yes.
Why? Why Modi ji use this skill? Pratima is so much busy in writing the thesis. Pratima, after this session, you have to publish one book. कितना
Yeah.
जब से non-stop लिख रहे हो, हाँ? Why? अच्छा, Lakshi, आप बताओ.
Yes.
Why
Yes,
the
madam.
people love to listen Modi ji?
Because his humorly informing to the public peoples.
Public, yes, because he oftenly uses humor and try to interact with the masses.
Yes.
Try to
Yes,
interact
madam.
with the masses. Now, guys, I'm going to share one video of our Honorable Prime Minister Modi ji, but I have taken that video from the YouTube. So I really appreciate if everyone mute yourself so that you will get the better sound clarity. Okay, everyone. And please listen the body gestures also. Okay, please see, sorry, please listen, please see the body gestures also. Right, everyone?
Yes, madam.
Okay, mute everyone.
हम अहमदाबादी लोगों के लिए कहा जाता है, अहमदाबादी से बता रहा हूं, उनके लिए कहा जाता है, यानी कोई बुरा मत माने, क्योंकि आजकल ऐसा है कुछ भी बात बड़ा विवाद का विषय बन जाती है, लेकिन बचपन में जो सुनते थे वो मैं बता रहा हूं, मैं मानता नहीं हूं। एक बार रेलवे प्लेटफॉर्म पर ट्रेन आई, तो उसमें जो पैसेंजर था वो ऊपर के बर्थ पर था, तो उसने बाहर खिड़की में पूछा कि भाई कौन सा स्टेशन आया है, तो बाहर वाले ने कहा 4 आना दोगे तो बताऊंगा। तो उसने कहा मत बताओ, ये अहमदाबादी होगा, और अहमदाबादी है तो बेस कैसे बनाना इसमें एक्सपर्टाइज होती है। ये अहमदाबादी लोग एक भी चीज फालतू छोड़ते ही नहीं है। धन्यवाद जी। माइक दे दीजिए क्या? देखिए लोग मेरा सुन के थक जाते हैं।
बिल्कुल सर।
अच्छा, थक जाते हैं ना?
नहीं।
I will share this video. So guys, what you have observed? Yes, what you have observed from this video? Yes, Medha. Yes, anything which you analyzed from this video?
Means the situation is the lightning and the conversation is the
Everyone,
in
have
a
you seen
happy mood.
have you seen the masses? Okay?
Yes.
Seen the mass? Everyone was love to listen Modi ji. And how beautifully he narrated about the Ahmedabadis. And humor ka ek aur skill hai ki how to start the humor with a story. With a light-hearted story, you can start. Light-hearted story. Have you seen the Modi ji's facial expression, the smile, the body gestures he was using? Okay, so that is also the humor. If the big shots are using this skill while speaking, so guys, why can't we? हम क्यों नहीं कर सकते इसको?
But how, ma'am?
How? देखो अभी मैंने बताया ना, एक तो 3 skills मैंने बताए, witty one-liners, playful teasing, and the exaggeration. Try to use this thing. अब how में आता है, देखो मेधा, there are so many things. If you really want to learn this skill into yourself, punchliners. देखो, whenever you travel, you must be very good observer. You must be very good observer if you really want to inculcate this skill into your habit. Observer means whenever you are traveling, sometimes it happens ना, हम कहीं बोर्ड पे बड़ा different सा caption या punchline देखते हैं. So just take the screenshot of that and just pen down. Just pen down. ठीक है, sometimes it happens कि that on the behind of the trucks, very different punchlines are there. तो मैं I always keep my phone ready. कहीं पर भी मुझे दिखता है, I just take the screenshot. Just try to listen some good podcast. Comedy podcast. Just try to listen some good podcast.
Any suggestion, ma'am?
Podcast सीखो, simple डालो, good ये comedy podcast. So you will get a list. So whatever the interest you have, just try to listen. Try to read some good comedy books. और उनके अंदर कुछ छोटी taglines आती है, just note down. Try to cram some good light-hearted jokes. Light-hearted jokes. How to start. Slogans. If you are good in share and shairi, you can use also this thing. You can use also this.
No, ma'am. I am not good enough.
You are not good, so that's why you have to learn this, Medha. You have to learn this. You
Yes,
have to
ma'am.
learn this. Guys, मैं हमेशा कहती हूँ, हंसना जरूरी है. हंसना जरूरी है. नहीं तो मोटिवेशनल स्पीचेस भी कभी खुशी कभी गम बन जाती हैं. और जो हमारे ऑडियंस हैं वो सोचते हैं कि हम आपके हैं. I am the fond of Bollywood, so मेरे जो dialogues होते हैं, that is related with most of that. But you can use yours. Why I am using the Bollywood dialogues? Because जो cinema है, that is really able to connect with us. But you must be very aware. You must be very keen observer. And you have to stimulate your brain on the daily basis because this is a right brain activity. This is not the easy skill. Okay, so you just pen down, make up, you can say the thesis, जैसे Pratima is making the thesis, so everyone is making the thesis on this. And try to use, अगर 10, if you are able to make the 10 punchlines, I'm not saying that you can use 10 to 10 punchlines, at least try to use 2 or 3 punchlines. If you have the fluency sessions, try to use that punchlines. Not why you are starting such a boring topic. Hi everyone, today I'm going to deliver this topic. I hope that you will really like this topic. No, try to use your story, fake story banao. That must be the humorous. Okay, so that is very important. That is very important.
Okay, ma'am. I will try.
देखो अब I will नहीं आना चाहिए था. मेधा आपको बोलना चाहिए था I must try. I must try मेधा. अच्छा चलो अब हम कुछ examples discuss करते हैं. Some humor in the professional settings. I have taken some examples, guys. You can also take your own examples. ठीक है? I have taken the 2 professional settings. One is who is working in the team corporate sectors, and one who are the teachers. Suppose you are showing this presentation to your team members. This presentation is full of data. Okay? This slide is full of data, full of text, full of data. Once when you will see, when you will show this slide to your audience, so what your audience will think? Audience को सोचेंगे या नहीं सोचेंगे? क्या सोचेंगे audience? Audience will think, oh my God, again, this is a full of the data. They are full of the text. PPT is coming. Again, we have to sit for the longer period of time and we have to listen this. Right? But this is a business prerequisite. You have to show these slides to your team members. So instead of just showing the slides to your team members, what you can say, Just show this slide, take the few seconds pause, and then you can say, hi, my dear team, don't worry, there is no quiz after this slide. There is no quiz after this slide. So it will make the environment giggle up. Picture abhi baki hai mere dost, this is just a trailer. Again, it will giggle up the environment. If you cannot read this slide, don't worry. Either I cannot read without glasses. So you can choose any option. I have written some. Okay? Suppose you are taking the team meeting. Sorry, one-on-one meeting, and you call. So then you can say, hi, there is a meeting and you have to attend this meeting. Again, your team member will say, again, the boss is calling me. So then you can say, hi, there is a team meeting and I promise that this team meeting will be short and sweet, just like the coffee break. Just like the coffee break. So it will create the curiosity among his or her mind. If there is a team meeting, so then you can say, hey, don't sit like mummies. Please share your thoughts. Right? If there is a virtual meeting, so every time we say, na, guys, please turn on your camera, this is your session. So what you can say, hey guys, please turn on your camera and smile occasionally so that we get to know whether you are awake or asleep. Okay? Are you guys getting? Guys, please turn on your camera and occasionally smile so I get to know whether you are awake or asleep. Right? Suppose you are the teachers and you have to use humor into your profession. So teacher and student talk. Teachers or anyone who is the teacher from this batch? Okay. Suppose the teacher hai, you cannot say, oh my God, your handwriting is too bad. Most of the time we say, your handwriting is too bad. I cannot read a single word. No, you don't say in this way. What you can say, oh, your handwriting is so creative. Even I cannot read a single word. Okay? Even I cannot read a single word. Your handwriting is too creative. Right? Suppose there is a parents-teacher meeting. So you cannot say, being a teacher, hey, ma'am, your child is not doing up to the mark. His marks are very less. You can say, ma'am, your child's progress is like a roller coaster, sometimes up, sometimes down. So these are the punchliners which you really, really need to practice. Okay, so you can use, there are so many tools nowadays, ChatGPT, AIs, and you just write down. Whatever the profession you have, you just write down some good humorous taglines with my profession. You will get.
Class is so lively. I almost understand it.
So I have made this. Okay, I will share this. So humor doesn't mean to crack the jokes. It should be natural. Okay? Do not make the fun of others. You must understand the audience knowledge. It is very important. Before inculcating the humor to anyone, you understand their culture. Culture means whether they are the school-going students, whether they are the working professionals, whether they are the Asians, whether they are the non-Asians, whether they are the North Indians. So you must understand their culture, because if you are able to understand their culture, then they can relate the humor accordingly. Otherwise, it becomes very tough. आप तो अपनी तरफ में ह्यूमर बोल रहे हो पर सामने वाले को समझ ही नहीं आ रहा, तो what is the use?
In the video of Modi ji, he is attaching to understand the audience culture. That's why he has taken the example of Ahmedabad.
Ahmedabad, yes. So this is very good.
Ma'am, but many of the times the humor or the witty line, sometimes the listener might take it in a wrong way also.
No, Preeti, that's why we are saying that don't make the fun of others. If you think so that these types of lines make them annoyed, so try to take your own example. You cannot pinpoint to them. Okay?
No, but we are telling it in a humorous way, but like the person who is standing in front, he might take that thing, he or she, in a different way.
So Preeti, if you know your audience nature, so don't use that humor in front of that person. So that's why I'm always saying you must understand his or her culture. This is very important. Now let's take some examples, guys. Now, Suppose this is a serious situation. This is a serious situation. We always use these types of situations. You're always sitting on the couch, no work at all. We always speak in this way. You're always sitting on the couch, no work at all. But now the situation is how to say this same line in the humorous way. Suppose I'm saying this thing to this line to my son. You're always sitting on the couch, no work at all. Do you really think so that my son will listen to me further? No. Especially if he's a teenager, so he won't listen. Okay, so what I have to do? I have to make this situation in a lighter mood. So how? Yes, any idea?
Would you like to eat pizza? Can I bring it?
Yes, speak louder.
Would you like to eat pizza? Can I bring it for you?
No, why? No, Dr. Manoj, situation क्या है? You are always sitting on the couch.
Okay.
आपको मतलब सिचुएशन क्या है? आप हमेशा सोफे पे बैठे रहते हो, आप कोई काम नहीं करते. This is a very negative tone है. क्वेश्चन क्या है कि हाउ टू मेक दिस टोन इनटू अ मोर पॉजिटिव टोन सो दैट द अदर पर्सन विल लव टू लिसन. अच्छा चलो, अच्छा बोलो, क्या बोलना चाहते हो? ऐसा लग रहा है अगस्त 9 PM बैच में everyone is so serious. हाँ गाइस, लाइफ में थोड़ा सा गाइस, सी लाइफ इज वेरी कॉम्प्लिकेटेड. थोड़ा सा चिल सिंपल उसको बनाओ, ठीक है? अच्छा मैं बताती हूँ. आई नो दिस थिंग. हाँ
Ma'am, if I was saying just stand up from the sofa, so I can measure your height.
I can measure your height. So then you will get the answer ki why you want to measure your height.
No, I just want to. I was
Acha
saying.
Pragya, read it. Acha Pragya, read it. If lying on the couch is an Olympic game, you will definitely win a gold medal. And this is one of the favorite tagline. If lying on the couch is an Olympic game, you will definitely win a gold medal. क्योंकि आप इतना ज़्यादा टाइम spend करते हो couch पे, you will definitely get a gold medal. Getting? You are spending too much time on the phone. You are spending too much time. These are the different serious situations I have given. Your room is so messy. Arrange it properly. Your room is so messy. Arrange it properly. How you can make it into a humorous way? Is this your room or an archaeological site? Should I call someone to discover? Is this your room or an archaeological site? Should I call someone? Okay, so these are some examples. You all need to participate more in the classroom discussions. Guys, this is not a Netflix show. Feel free to unmute yourself and join the conversation. Suppose you are the team member, team leader, and your team members are always keeping yourself mute.
More in class.
So then, you don't say. So then you can say, this is not a Netflix show, guys. Just feel free to unmute and participate. Okay. So guys, these are some examples. Please read these examples and try to make your own humorous statement. Try to make simple. Try to make simple.
Study hard.
Bollywood dialogues, as I told you, that messages delivered through the humors plays a very vital role, because the Bollywood dialogues, if you are really fond of Bollywoods, so then definitely you are able to inculcate the humor, because Bollywood dialogues are the pure gold. Why? Because they can instantly connect. They can trigger the nostalgia, जो भी हमारी कोई past memories हैं, and the people laugh without needing much explanations. How many of you are fond of Bollywoods? Tarzan movies देखते हैं? नहीं मैम, सिर्फ पैसा कमाना है. हाँ, लाइफ का एक ही फंडा है.
उनका नाम में एक मूवी है, टार्जन मूवी.
So you can use yours. So I have written some taglines. Do not underestimate the power of common employee. Do not underestimate the power of a common employee. Okay? Don't worry, we are all in the same line. Deadline वाली line. Picture अभी बाकी है मेरे दोस्त. अगर आपको if you really want to give the motivation, so picture अभी बाकी है मेरे दोस्त. बड़े suppose आपके projects में someone is doing some mistakes, or you don't say कि why you have done such a blunder mistakes in these projects. You must be very careful. No, you have to make that environment relax. देखो guys, mistakes सबसे हो सकते हैं. We are the humans. We are the humans. So instead of saying why you have done such a blunder mistake, you can say बड़े बड़े projects में ऐसी छोटी छोटी mistakes होती रहती हैं. So try
Okay.
to be more careful from the next time. आपको बोलना है कि you must be careful, but don't in a harsh or in a negative tone. Getting this thing? Suppose I'm giving some situation when motivate someone after a setback. किसी को setback लगा है. So how you can motivate someone?
हार के जीतने वाले को बाजीगर कहते हैं.
हार के जीतने वाले को बाजीगर कहते हैं. Well said, well said, well said. Very nice. हार के जीतने वाले को बाजीगर कहते हैं. Very nice, very nice. Asking for help. Suppose you are asking for help to your team members. Suppose your boss has assigned one project. कि भाई, this is a project and you have to complete this project by tomorrow 5 p.m. This is a deadline. Okay. Now you are asking for help. Now you are asking for your friend, guys, please help me in this project. I have to complete this project. No, this is a simple. So how you can use your right brain in the Bollywood dialogues. ये हाथ मुझे दे दे ठाकुर. ये हाथ मुझे दे दे ठाकुर. To reduce the tension, if you really want to reduce the tension, so then what you can say?
All is well.
All is
All is well.
all is well. All is well. When inspire someone to dream big and believe in the power and the intention.
कायनात वाली जो लाइन है.
हाँ, या गाइस ये याद होनी चाहिए बाय हार्ट. बस कायनात वाली लाइन मैडम बस हमने बोल दिया, बाकी का
तो
कंप्लीट
दिल
कर दे.
से चाहो तो पूरी कायनात उसे तुमसे.
Yes.
I watch Bollywood movies, but I don't remember.
But Preeti, you're Preeti,
Yes,
right?
definitely.
तो
Now
दिल से
I'll.
चाहो तो पूरी.
देखो गाइस, सी मैं ये नहीं कह रही कि सुबह बैठ जाओ 5 बजे टीवी खोल के
नहीं,
नेटफ्लिक्स खोल के रात को. नो, मैं हमेशा कह रही हूँ ट्राई टू यूज सम गुड टैगलाइन एंड ट्रस्ट मी इफ यू आर यूजिंग दीज टाइप्स ऑफ लाइंस while starting your speech, whether it is a vocab session, whether it is a fluency session, it will give a positive impact on your audience. किसी चीज को दिल से चाहो तो पूरी कायनात तुम्हें उसे मिलाने की कोशिश में लग जाती है. बट ये जो लाइंस है ना, ये आपको बाय हार्ट होनी चाहिए, ब्रोकन नहीं. ऐसे नहीं बोलना आपको किसी चीज को ऐसे नहीं. दैट शुड बी कमिंग आउट नेचुरल. Okay, so you just do practice. This is very important. Now, Sankari, can you read this? Unmute.
My voice is so rapid. Hello everyone. I'm Komal. I am from Delhi. I'm a communication coach and I am very excited to be here. I love meeting new people and my goal is to keep and meaningful.
Sankari, are you not well? Are you not well, Sankari? Acha, your throat. Acha, okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, no worries. Okay, thank you so much, dear. Pratima, would you like to
Today,
read?
Yes,
Okay,
yes,
Pratima,
I'm
chalo,
definitely.
पढ़ो.
आज मैंने
Hello,
पूरा भूल गया
everyone.
था मैम ऑफिस आने के
Okay. Yes, Pratima, read louder.
Okay. Hello, everyone. I am Komal. I am from Delhi. I am a communication coach and I am very excited to be here. I love meeting new people and sharing ideas. My goal is to keep things engaging and meaningful. Let's learn, grow, and have a great time together.
Yes. Do you really think so? Anyone is interested to listen this script? Yati, Medha.
No.
Now, Yati, read this. Yati, read this one.
Hello everyone. I am Komal. I am from Delhi. I am communication coach
No,
and I am the
no. Yati, read this one, colorful one.
okay, this one. Okay,
Yeah.
okay. So sorry. Hi everyone. I am Komal from Delhi Dilwalo Ki. I am into a profession where I can make members
Okay,
into
stop,
motivational.
Yati, stop, Yati. Preeti, you read it. Yati, now I let you know what the mistakes you were doing. Preeti,
Okay.
read it carefully. Unmute, Preeti.
Hey everyone, I am Komal and I am from Delhi, Dilwalo Ki. I am into a profession where I can make mumblers into motivational speakers. And I'm very thrilled to be here because I had no choice. Enjoy sharing ideas, cracking jokes, just to make sure that we all are awake. My goal is to keep things more engaging and most importantly, free of boredom. Let's learn, grow, and enjoy the roller coaster of life.
Very nice, very nice. Yati, what the mistake you are doing, dear? I know this is the first time you are reading, but you must be very good while reading. जैसे mumblers.
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 Right.
And what is the meaning of mumblers?
Mumblers नहीं होता जैसे वो अपने में धीरे धीरे करके बोलते रहते हैं. ठीक है ना? That is the mumblers. ठीक है? मतलब उनको एकदम confidence speaker. Up now, okay. Iman is
Ma'am, I just want to correct it. My name is Aparna and my daughter's name is Yati. Just change it.
यति अब मेरे को तो देखो जो जूम पे आ रहा है मैं तो वो ही बोल रही हूँ ना.
नहीं बराबर है
But Yati is
लेकिन
very nice name ना. Yati is very nice name.
yeah, my
हमेशा
daughter
मुझे
name is
हाँ
Yati.
यति. Okay. Now Iman, unmute. Iman, now you also read this paragraph. That is colorful.
Hey everyone, I am Kamal and from Delhi Dilwalo Ki. I am into a profession where I can make mumblers into motivational speakers, and I am very thrilled to be here because I had no choice. I enjoy sharing ideas, cracking jokes just to make sure that we all are awake. My goal is to keep things more engaging and most importantly, free of boredom. Let's learn, grow, and enjoy the
roller coaster
of life.
Very nice, very nice. इमांग लेकिन इस पे थोड़ा सा सोने पे सुहागा हो जाता, थोड़ा सा स्माइल आ जाता फेस पे. और ऐसे करके ना करके थोड़ा सा जेस्टर्स यूज करो. गाइस, यू आर हियर टू लर्न द फ्लुएंसी. जेस्टर्स को तो आप ये ओपन क्लोज्ड हैंड्स में तो आप बैठ ही नहीं सकते. दिस इज अ नेगेटिव. Always be open. You always be open. Okay, so this is a thing. Subhashish, what do you have observed? What do you have observed?
Let's learn, grow, and enjoy the roller coaster.
What do you have observed?
Regarding his reading,
no. Regarding these two paragraphs.
Yeah, obviously, regarding this, it's quite a simple and logical way. The first one is that, and the second one is quite interesting because it's interactful with someone wants to say the message.
Because second one is more interesting. Second one is more colorful. The first one is black, only one color. And the same mistakes we guys are doing at the time of our communication. What is that? We always try to make a one tone into our communication. And that's why our tone, our communication becomes very monotonous. Lakshmi, what do you mean by monotonous?
Same.
बड़ा boring सा लगता है. But we really want to make our. अच्छा, हम कहते हैं ना, why we have joined this IDQ platform? मेरे को answers आते हैं students से कि मैम we want to become we have joined IDQ platform to become an effective and impressive speaker. But how? How you can be an effective and impressive speaker? Once you are able to make your communication more colorful.
sense tone according to
हाँ,
feeling.
यस यस यस। अब कलरफुल का मतलब ये नहीं है कि मैं अपने बालों को कलर करके आ गई हूँ, स्पेक्स का कोई दूसरा कलर हो गया है। नो, दैट इज नॉट कलरफुल। कलरफुल मीन्स whether I know कि how to make my talk or the communication or the speech more interesting and engaging.
Yeah.
If the answer is yes, so it means your objective for which you have joined this IDQ platform has been achieved.
Tone sense according to feeling. Yeah.
According to the feelings. But this is a right brain scale. Again and again, I'm repeating, my dear students, this is a right brain scale. This is not an easy scale. You need to put more efforts. It is very easy to say ki ma'am, we have to activate our right brain. So what are the things which we have discussed? How you, okay, one by one, okay? Because this is very important. Yes, Dharmen, I would like to listen any one thing which you will learn to activate your right brain. Yes, any one thing which
Yes,
you
ma'am.
have learned. आज के सेशन से कोई भी एक एक्टिविटी आपने सीखी है जिससे आप अपना राइट ब्रेन एक्टिव कर सकते हैं? एनी वन थिंग।
इंट्रोडक्शन को लॉजिकल बनाने।
नहीं, लॉजिकल तो है, उसको राइट ब्रेन में कैसे यूज करोगे आप? हाउ टू एक्टिवेट योर राइट ब्रेन मोर?
With Bollywood dialogues.
अच्छा, Bollywood dialogues. Very good, very good. Are you fond of Bollywood dialogues or this is just a compulsion made by me? Okay, Bollywood dialogues. Very nice. Bollywood dialogues. Subhashish, आपकी तरफ से?
You need to notice the taglines. Some of the
Okay,
taglines are
taglines.
very
Very
important.
good. ठीक है, done. Pragya?
Witty one-line and punch.
Witty one-liners. Witty
punchline.
one-liners. Okay, great, 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 great. Pradeep, okay, Pragya, please mute some noise. Pradeep, anyone? Activity?
Some punchlines, using some punchlines.
Okay,
plus some,
punchlines. जैसे picture अभी बाकी
playful
है मेरे
teasing.
दोस्त. हाँ?
Just like that. Okay.
हाँ, picture अभी बाकी है मेरे दोस्त. I usually use one punchline because whenever I take the sessions and the students are coming late, and then I always say, बहुत देर कर दी मेहरबा आते आते. So and next time में they are always ready कि अरे मैम का सेशन है तो we should be on time. Pratima, any activity which you have learned from today's session, how to activate your right brain?
You must observe good.
हाँ, yes, Yati.
You
Observe.
must be very
हाँ,
good
observer. You must be very good observer. Whenever you are traveling, whenever you go to some parties, Yati, so always observe ki how the people are using. Why you laugh at others' talk? So this must be kept into your mind. Very nice. Lakshi, any one activity?
Humorous everyone. Body language.
Body language, very nice, very
Yes.
nice. Non-verbal communication, very nice,
Yes.
very nice. Yes. Medha, तुमसे स्टार्ट हुआ, तुम पे ही खत्म हुआ. एक एक्टिविटी बताओ.
We also watch videos, comedy shows.
कॉमेडी शोज, यस, ठीक है. लेकिन सिंपल इतना जहां से मेधा आपको लगता है कि यस आई एम गेटिंग समथिंग. So try to use podcast. Medha, try to listen some good podcasts here. This is really very helpful for you. पूरा मूवीज किसी के पास टाइम नहीं है गाइस, यूट्यूब चैनल्स का टाइम नहीं है. ट्राई टू लिसन सम गुड पॉडकास्ट होते हैं हमारे 10 to 15 minutes. That's enough.
Try to use light-hearted jokes.
Light-hearted jokes. Very good. Try to use some शायरी. Okay?
Laughing,
Yes, Sankari.
laughing and connecting with.
हाँ, laughing, smile. हाँ यार गाइस, smile तो किसी ने बोला ही नहीं. Smile.
Funny memes.
Funny memes. Very good, Sabha. Very good. Funny memes. ठीक है? Humor doesn't means to remain behind the camera. You should be open your camera. Then you
And
will be able to
face, eye also.
eyes ऐसे करके इतनी eyes नहीं दिखानी. हाँ, मतलब.
No more
हाँ,
eyes.
yes. Very nice, very nice. So guys, and now you are learning ki how to activate your right brain. Story. Try to make some small funny story. मेरे बचपन में ऐसे होता था. कौन देख रहा है बचपन में क्या होता था? Try to make some fake stories, but that should be coming from your heart.
Yeah.
if you are able to connect the audience with their emotions, your life become jhingalala. Otherwise, no one will love to listen. Okay? So guys,
Yes.
I will share this assignment into your group. What you have to do, this is a sample. What you have to do, you have to write your own script into the humorous. Okay?
Okay, we'll try.
So conclusion is that humor makes you engagement, retention, stress relief, definitely. And it enhances the grade.
Madam,
Yes.
aggregation, please again.
Exaggeration. Exaggeration का मतलब होता है लक्ष्य बड़ा चढ़ाकर बोलना. बड़ा चढ़ाकर बोलना. Suppose Lakshi, I'm very hungry. I'm very hungry. ठीक है? Suppose your son is coming to you and he's saying कि Papa, today I'm very hungry. So, okay, you are hungry. Okay, just wait. I will serve some food. But if he will say, Papa, please give me some food. Today I'm so hungry that I could eat an elephant. Although it is not possible. But
Yes,
exaggeration hai. So it makes your environment little lighter. And you also understand the intention of his hunger.
Yes.
Okay?
Yes, madam.
Now listen, guys, please listen this. Very beautiful video.
सेंस ऑफ ह्यूमर हमेशा रखना जिंदगी में, हंसते हमेशा रहना, एक चाइल्ड लाइक इनोसेंस जरूर रखना. जैसे एक छोटे बच्चे की जो एक इनोसेंस होती है, जो उसका दुनिया की तरफ जो नजरिया होता है, बड़ा इनोसेंस सा होता है, उसमें कोई खामी नहीं होती, गलती नहीं होती, अभी दुनियावी बातें नहीं आई होती, तो वैसे ही रखना. कई बार बचपन में मैंने जब बदतमीजी की या कोई गलत काम किया तो उन्होंने सेंस ऑफ ह्यूमर से मुझे बचाया. और जिंदगी भर अगर आप अपने ऊपर, अपने हाल पे, दुनिया पे, क्योंकि लोग आपसे हर कोई बात कहेंगे, अच्छी बात भी कहेंगे, बुरी बात भी कहेंगे, क्योंकि लोगों का काम है कहना. अगर आप उसको एक सेंस ऑफ ह्यूमर से देख सकेंगे तो जिंदगी जो है बहुत बेहतर रहेगी.
So guys, क्योंकि लोगों का काम है कहना, but you really want to inculcate the skill into your habit. But if you really want to inculcate, as you already know, there are the 3 types of ego state. I think you have learned these 3 types of ego state. One is a parent ego state. Second is a adult ego state. And third one is a child ego state.
Child ego state.
और humor के लिए कौन सा ego state सबसे supreme होना चाहिए? Child ego state.
Child ego.
So you can also, chat GPT के लिए एक और क्वेश्चन तैयार हो गया. How to inculcate the child ego state into myself. You will get some tips. Okay, guys?